Okay, bump update, 23 weeks today. As you can tell, I've moved into my folks now. So I'm quite good at just exploding into spaces. You probably know this about me from watching Vlogmas. I just kind of appear and then my stuff is everywhere. But I'm trying to be good and I'm putting it all in the cupboard. Because yeah, I'm probably going to be here like a week, so gotta get ready to kind of live. I arrived at the right day in the young household, making an eggs for breakfast.
It's recommended, you see, for my diet.
So good. What do we think, Hobbles? Do you like the super sewer? And Christmas trees! Oh, I love this view. Hello everyone, I have been really bad at vlogmasing today. I'm sorry. I think yesterday was such a hectic day trying to get ready for the workman that today I've just like completely chilled with my parents. It's been so lovely. I really like being at their house in the lead up to Christmas. It's wonderful. So we've done quite little, but we're going off to another carol evening now. This is my old school Old Mulburian carol service, so it should be really good, and I will definitely, even if I'm not allowed to, sneak some video in for you. So yes, I hope you enjoy it. More festive cheer. Bye! Amazingly on time. Hello! Oh yeah! Hey Mr. Moon! It's got such a good zoom, this. There we go. You can almost see the cheese. Yeah, that's lovely. That is gorgeous. Okay, right, day 12 of the doggy advent calendar. I know there's a few days we haven't opened, but we'll do them later. But are you guys ready? No! Hobbs!
Hobbsy, get there.
Shocking
At the other
behaviour.
side.
Okay, now sit, please. Are you sitting? Good girl. Okay, alright. Because she didn't growl, Tiggs gets the first one. Thank you, Tiggs. There you go. Off you pop. Now, Mr. Dog. Mr. Hobbs. No, you've got to be better than this. Come on. Sit properly and shake. Good boy. Go on then. Off you go. No, off you go. Why did you want to sit on the sofa next to me? Oh, alright guys. Well, that is the end of day 12 of Vlogmas. I'm absolutely exhausted. It's only 10 o'clock, but I can't wait to go to bed. But I hope everyone had a lovely festive day, and I will see you tomorrow.